So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find 4-bedroom homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to make sure that buy is selected and then type in your location. So for this demonstration, I will select Vegas, and if all looks good, I'll go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're on this page right here, if you want to refine your search even further to 4-bedroom places, just go to the top left where it says beds slash baths. Make sure that under beds right here that you have 4 selected. Double tap it to make sure that just 4 is selected. So specifically, if you're looking for 4-bedroom places, go ahead and press on done. Now, if you want to refine your search even further, under home type right here, you can go ahead and select, houses. So you're looking at houses only. You can go to townhouses. You can go to condos, whatever the case may be. The options will be, there for you. You can make it as specific if you want, as you want, or as wide open as you want in regards to your search. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on done. And the listings, of course, here will be 4-bedroom units. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find 4-bedroom homes for sale on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.